Eternity Technology, a professional electronics manufacturing services provider. Eternity Technology, committed to high quality, high value-added electronic manufacturing services, EMS. Shenzhen Eternity Technology strives for constant innovation and intelligent manufacturing of both domestic and global electronic technology. Founded in 2003, Shenzhen Eternity Technology Company Limited is a wholly owned company of Eternity Technology Holdings Limited, located in Yingjian Industrial Park, Pingshan District, Shenzhen, China. Shenzhen Eternity Technology has an existing plant area of 12,000 square meters, with nearly 1,000 employees globally. Equipped with more than 10 high-speed SMT production lines, 2 conventional wave and 2 selective wave soldering lines, 10 automatic test lines, and 8 box build lines. Shenzhen Eternity Technology successfully expanded its business all over the world. Our customers span a variety of industries including telecommunications, finance equipment, new energy, industrial control, automotive, and medical device. The company focuses on contract manufacturer, turnkey, new product introduction, and original design manufacturer services. As a result of continuous investment in advanced equipment, Shenzhen Eternity Technology commands complete and advanced craft and process capabilities in surface mounting technology, SMT. Covering placement of 01005 SMT components to various irregular connectors, BGA components like POP, and SPI, AOI, X-ray inspection, dispensing, underfill technology, etc. Shenzhen Eternity Technology is able to handle 30-layer circuit board of 550 meters by 480 meters. Applying PCBA tests to automatic production line and station. Adopting 4 to 6 axis robotic arm for functional testing of various products. Storage, SMT, testing, box build, packaging, and delivery. The Manufacturing Executive System covers the entire manufacturing process from raw material purchasing. Shenzhen Eternity Technology continuously improves its internal operation and management level through system tools like ERP and office automation. Shenzhen Eternity Technology has advanced manufacturing equipment which can realize high mix, low volume, and multi-variety, small batch, high reliability, and sophisticated through-hole welding, as well as complicated processes in the box build assembly such as conformal coating, UV glue coating, potting packaging, aging, etc. One-stop integrated solution for electronics manufacturing. Eternity Technology. The product quality and on-time delivery are guaranteed by applying a series of systematic product certification and implementing total quality management. Production automation, information technology, and other technical means are introduced to achieve monitoring and after-sales traceability of the entire production process. Shenzhen Eternity Technology has been accelerating the advancement of electronic technology in a world-oriented gesture. With professional experience, every progress has created multiple miracles of technology and market quality and quantity. The company owns nearly 30 technical patent certificates and was rated as National High-Tech Enterprise in 2016. And successfully passed ISO 9001, 2015, ISO 14001, 2015, ISO 13485, 2016, IATF 16949, 2016, and other quality certifications. While providing customers with high-quality products and services, Shenzhen Eternity Technology continuously integrates the business process of the innovative electronics manufacturing industry chain and focuses on the innovation and intellectual manufacturing of electronic technology to serve human beings a better life.
我们为您的电子制造需求提供一站式服务而感到自豪，并强调高质量和高水平的客户满意度。
Shenzhen Eternity Technology. Witness and practice the new pattern of Made in China 2025.